Alright, hello everyone, it's me, Pokerinsm. I'm back for another video, and today we're going to be showcasing, technically, it's going to be like we're showcasing weathers. Yeah, we're actually showcasing a weather team, specifically a rain team. I actually made a poll a while back, but basically rain one, so I'm going to do rain first. So basically, like I said, we're doing a rain team. So let's actually get this started. Now we'll be using Beetledew, Skelec, Artipago, Leviatros, Tatab, Venolin, and Plasmoth. Let me just quickly get it set. This is kind of what I'm running. Because, again, this is not a normal showcase. I'm not really showcasing off their sets, but more like, just the team in general. Yeah, I'm just doing it quickly. Oh, yeah, Vag. This was actually a secret ability. I just want to have the secret ability on my team. Yeah, here. So let me just put everything here. You have Beetledew or whatever its evolution is again. I recommend one Swift Swimmer and Leviatros for Expert Onslaught, and then everything else it's up to you. But like I said, because our team is actually extremely weak to Boiling Press and Deep Freeze. But yeah, let's just get that started already, okay? Okay, first battle. It's what the hell? There's just a random spot missing. Now yeah, see, there's a Wobblisk, so it probably has Deep Freeze. So I think I'm gonna start off with Tatab. Tatab is actually pretty great here. Actually, hold up. I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get Rain up. Leviatros comes out. Same for what I'm thinking. No, you're weak to light. I think this is what I'm gonna do. So let's actually begin this. Oops, I keep forgetting that. It was Wobblisk. Okay, yeah, I kind of knew it. Either way, I am gonna just be annoying and tase you. Now let's be realistically, actually no, because isn't Wobblisk mix or something? I don't know what Wobblisk runs, but I'm just gonna tase it so I can do that. I'm just tasing it because I can. Yeah, I got Deep Freeze. I might survive this. I do survive this. But now I just Flash and Flee out of here. I'll probably swap it for Zip-Zap when it gets Zip-Zap. Oh, also, it's getting buffed. It's gonna like Rejuvenate, Disperse, and Tear Down in the future. I'm just putting Tatab. Yeah, nuh-uh. Ouch! What the hell, man? That hurt a lot. I'm gonna do this. I'm pretty sure you're gonna bring out whatever it's called. Yeah, I should have honestly expected. Yeah, it's Mirror. I should have expected that. I should bring Leviatros. Well, I don't see Miraf anymore, basically. I'm trying to Expert Onslaught, basically. Big half. Alright, yeah, I do another Expert. You might have... Oh crap, I can't even bring you out anymore. I messed up. Okay, yeah, I do take you out though, but like I said, I can't bring you out because of barbs. I should have probably brought Venolin for, like I said, you. Baneki? I'm just gonna Mega Chomp, I guess. Like, I do have Speed You, unless you're Boost, but like, I don't know what Baneki runs. Yeah, I just get the... Oh, oh wow, actually you almost take it out immediately. Boom Bash, okay. No, I just take you out. Funnily enough, someone mentioned to run Feral Blast for Baneki, but funny enough, it's the first Baneki I've seen in like a long time. I just Pestilence. Yeah, we just do that. I also do heal a bit. I'm pretty sure who are you gonna go? It's either Wobblisk or one of your other Lumens you haven't used yet. I still need Top for Wobblisk. Oh, Chinetta. I do outspeed you, so I just tase you again. Oh, you Light Dash? Oh, okay. I've been for that, honestly. I just bring Top. Yeah, I just bring Top because I'm immune. And you no longer get your Ghost type, so I just jungle Jitsu here. I haven't even used Brain yet. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll take you out. Yeah, we got Chinenta. What else do you have left like that? Yeah, crap. It's a Roughdon. I just bring you out then. I'm pretty sure Top can survive one more. No, yeah, I believe Top can survive one more. I just need Top. Yeah, let's get my range summon so your attacks are weaker. Alright. Finally, funny enough, we finally got rain. But yeah, I don't think you always want to use rain at the beginning because, you know. Yeah, you could also use, like I said, you could also use it at the beginning. So yeah, basically, Wobblisk basically just takes out rain teams. Yeah, you Hellstorm. It's barely gonna do anything. Alright, yes. I just do Nami. I believe you're just gonna bring out Wobblisk now, but I can do a bit of damage to Wobblisk, I guess. Oh, you just... Why did you Magnify? Just take you out, man. Yeah, you're an Interruptodon. Honestly, I have no idea why they did that. Also, Jesus Christ, that barely did... The Hellstorm barely did any damage. Yeah, Wobblisk is, Oh yeah, actually, I totally forgot Wobblisk is... I'm sure you saw me, right? How does speed do now, apparently? Deep Freeze, yeah, Deep Freeze kills. I should bring our Pygo now. Our Pygo comes out. You're paralyzed. But I do just... Yeah, I just hit you with a stab. Oh, we almost take you out. I'm pretty sure we can survive a Deep Freeze from here. Or not. You crit. What the hell you crit? I thought the chase hadn't even worked once. Yeah, the Hellstorm's gone, but like, damn. And we survive. And this is game over. Oh yeah. That was honestly pretty close, but yeah, like I said, a Wobblisk kind of messes up rain teams. But yeah, that's our first round. Let's actually get to the next one. Alright, second battle, let's see. Ta-da! Alright, actually, I actually need some cover. Oh, wow, Tata's actually decent here. Okay, either one. I think this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we're almost have our entire team full of health. Yeah, we just immediately bring Leviathan to do some damage. Good Virulence. We hitting you with Expert Onslaught immediately. Why is the Silverlance bald? Okay, I'm gonna take him out immediately. Stampede. What do you think, Stampede? Joke's on you! You can't dodge this! Oh, you sot! Okay, this game's definitely gonna be better when you where like choice band and choice specs are out. That's actually gonna make it hit extremely hard. I'm betting you're probably clutch. Knew it. So I managed to take out like 2 things that fast. Earthquake. I have no idea why I brought Loomain in an all-water scheme. Yeah, if I just do this. And then I slap you in the face with one of these. I'm just gonna slap you in the face with one of these instead. Yeah, I get hit by jet stream, but I do survive. Okay, brain happening. In some cases, Dellatrix is actually better. You're like, oh, okay. Just did that through this. Like I was saying, in some cases, Dellatrix is technically better because we don't have the deep freeze. Oh crap! Why do you have deep freeze? Why am I seriously? Why am I going against deep freeze users? Sushi, do something. Hit him for quick thunder strike. Yeah, you're clutch, aren't you? Oh no, you just survived apparently. Damn. You also thunder strike back. You didn't manage to survive it though. Still betting you were clutch though. Why am I going against deep freeze users today? This is what I meant. Like, we're gonna showcase something. You're about to like see the stuff that basically walls the one Loomain you never see. Yeah, we just saw me. And continue yapping. I think our pilot is definitely gonna be crazy when there's specs. It hits harder. Thunder Strike apparently hits harder. Let's do this. Outburst, yeah. I get left, by the way. I kind of just bring Tommy. Maybe I'm both have to leave, but I just bring out Tommy and Dave. Yeah, now you're slow. First go on an outburst. You gotta heal though. Nah, I just pestilence. Okay, please tase. Come on, tase. Tase, come on, man. Alright, yeah. Pretty sure we can take you out with Flash Play now. Damn, you're just on one. You have to bring back on now. God damn it, an outburst again. Wait, hold up, wait, hold up. Skellic. Skellic, we're doing Skellic sober. Actually, I think I just sober because you get stronger. I mean, you get tankier. Oh, actually, no, you get a lot of HP. No, yeah, I definitely want to sober so I don't die. Watch me get crit. Still gonna show this video even though I crit. Oh god. Trudge. I just hope we got a Tase. What? Oh, you don't have enough energy? Oh. Huh. See, look at that. Oh, it's Metronet. Metronet's left? We just hit long rush now. But I do outspeed you. Yeah, your slow burst, you do get the melee buff. However, luckily for me... Okay, actually, surprisingly, Plasma is actually going to become the clutch if I do faint here. Because it's a bug type, it's also much faster. Y'all, what if they gave Metronet ranged Trudge? That is a bad idea on so many levels. Oh crap. Oh no, you sent us your... Oh no, you got a Soul Burst animation! Bonk. Okay, take us out. Guess what? Luckily for me, I didn't decide to sack this thing off. It's game over. I literally outspeed you. You really just dodged here. You're not surviving. I don't know about you, but a Metronet is not surviving this. Your range defense is like so bad right now. You could do slow burst. This is the 4th time. I literally... Yeah. And that's game. So after using Rain, I think it's decent. Currently, like I said, Rain is... Weathers are not the best because weather extension items aren't here. Yeah, basically, we're still waiting on weather items. But otherwise, yeah, I think you definitely just want to use one Rain Rush user. Maybe Leviathan or something else. I actually do have a better team. But because I haven't showcased a certain Loomain, I can't actually use this certain Rain team. But like, yeah. Rain is cool. Until you meet an Isogul with Bane of Haste. until you meet like every... But yeah, like the only real weakness of this team is like your teammates basically get hit by the same stuff you do. But yeah, ciao.